Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use Snapchat Memories feature. So let me tell you guys, Snapchat Memories remains a central swipe up feature from the camera screen for saving, organizing and sharing past snaps. You can back up photos, create my eyes only private password protected collections and utilize AI powered search for memories. So to use this feature, what you're going to have to do is open your Snapchat app and then swipe up from the camera screen or tap the card icon below the capture button. The next way of using this feature is to save new snaps. After taking a snap, tap the save button to store it. Now the next what you can do is go to your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll down to memories. Once you tap on memories, what you can do is tap on the save button under the save destinations section. Tap on it. Now select where do you want to save it, whether memories or memories and camera roll or just the camera roll. Now the next what you can do is for the my eyes only, long press a snap in memories and then tap on hide snap or my eyes only to protect it behind a 4-digit pin. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.